to send a photo message on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device, click on your profile, make sure you're logged into your account. After that, click on Inbox at the bottom. Here, choose the person you want to send a photo message to. You can send it in the group chat as well. You'll find the camera icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it. After that, you'll find camera pop-up. Simply take picture here and press on send. Or if you want to add a photo from gallery, you can click on the camera icon and click on the photo icon at the bottom right. Here, scroll through the photos. Click on the photo you want to send, press on send at the bottom, and photo will be sent. In this way, both of them has been sent, and this is how to send a photo message on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.